Benefits of garlic. Beyond imparting mouth-watering zest to recipes of all kinds, garlic also offers some incredibly healthy benefits when eaten. It's nutrient-dense. Garlic offers bang for your buck in the nutrient department. It provides an impressive number and amount of nutrients relative to its low-calorie count, making it a nutrient-dense. It helps reduce your risk for heart disease. Substantial research has found that garlic plays a role in reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke, namely by lowering high blood pressure and regulating cholesterol levels, including lowering LDL or bad cholesterol. It packs an antioxidant punch. While we're talking about disease prevention, garlic also helps fend off free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and combat systemic inflammation. Ingredients: garlic,